Hey guys, welcome to College Netted Engineering with Bongani Kumede. So today we'll be doing sequence 5. Okay, let me just write and say sequence 5. Okay. So today we're doing sequence 5. Let me read the statement for you. It says that when the start button is pressed, motor 1 must start rotating automatically. And then 10 seconds after motor 1 is started, motor 2 must start rotating automatically, while motor 1 continues to rotate. And then after another 10 seconds, when motor 2 has started rotating, motor 1 must stop automatically. Okay, so this process is all about automation. When we press the start button, we want motor 1 coil to energize, and then after another 10 seconds we want motor 2 coil also to energize. Then after another 10 seconds, when motor 2 has started rotating, and then we want your motor 1 to stop. Okay, so let me go online and show you what I did here. So I've energized my fuses, so I've just pressed the start button, and immediately your motor 1 is running. We can see your timer is counting. It's counting your timer. We'll see this normally open will become a normal close after the timer finish counting. And immediately when the timer becomes a normal close, your motor 2 must start rotating automatically. So there's no need to press the start button again. This process is all about automation. Okay, here we go. So now we saw our motor 2 is now rotating, and the coil also is energized. But remember also the timer 2 is also energized. So timer 2 and KM2, they energize both at the same time. So after counting timer 2, we must have a normal open here so that your motor 1 can stop rotating. Okay, and that's it. We've seen your motor 1 has stopped rotating, and your motor 2 is continuing to run. So we've done what the statement required us to do. So let me show you what I added here. Okay, let me just try to move my mouse. So okay, yeah, let me move my mouse. Let me press the stop button. Okay, so what I added here, I introduced a delay on timer. That's the first thing I introduced. This delay on timer must energize the same time with KM1, and then I put a normal open here of timer 1 to energize our contactor 2 or motor 2 or KM2 also with timer 2, so that when these two they energize, and then here you'll be able to have a normal open to stop your motor 1. Okay, so let's start the process for the last time. I press the start button, motor 1 coil is energized, and also the timer coil is energized, right? But now remember, we say after 10 seconds your motor 2 must rotate also automatically. So we're waiting for the timer to count. You will see just a few seconds now. Here it will become a normally closed, so that the timer and the coil, they can energize, and that's it. They've energized, and immediately when they energize, remember your timer also is counting. We want this coil not to work or to de-energize immediately after 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds this should stop. Your motor 1 should stop operating. But now, okay, yeah, let's see, should stop anytime now, and that's it. It has stopped rotating. Yeah, so motor 1 has stopped, but motor 2 is still continuing to run, and all your timers, they're still energized, and these are delay on timers that I used. Okay, so let's meet on the next video where I will show you the sequence 6, and I will also make a separate video just to show you the operation of the timers. Thank you for watching. Sharp.